Hey, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we are just going to make a really easy 15-20 minute dinner because it is hot. I am just rolling in sweat and I want to get out of my kitchen. So we are just going to have some pan grilled barbecue chicken. That's it, and some mac and cheese. Alright, I have 2 chicken breasts, and they're pretty thick, so I'm going to cut them lengthwise, right down the center, and make 4 pieces out of 2. And as you can see, I have a piece of saran wrap on my cutting board. I always do that when I'm going to tenderize meat, because it just makes it so much easier, and I don't have spatter. I hate spatter, so I put it on the saran, and then I cover the top of the chicken with another saran, just like that, and then I don't have spatter. Okay, we're going to get this tenderized now. I'm just going to use the small side. Flatten that out. Not only does it tenderize, but it makes it cook much faster. So, if you've watched my channel any amount of time, you know I'm all about fast. I want it to taste good and be fast. Okay. There we go. I throw that top piece away. And this is my own barbecue rub. I've been doing this for years and years and years, and it's the only one we use. It doesn't matter if it's beef, pork, chicken, lamb, veal, it does not matter. If I'm going to barbecue it, I use this rub. And in case you didn't know, this is a Parmesan cheese lid, and it fits perfectly on a regular mouth mason jar, and it makes the perfect shaker. We're going to get this shook out. We're going to cover my chicken, pat it down, flip it. We'll get these flipped. And if you want to know how to make this rub, Randy actually did a video, and I'm sure he can link it at the end of the video so you can go and watch it and find out what's in it. This will last a good long time. I mean, I don't know, we probably made this, 6 months ago, and we probably used it 4 times, so at least once a month. And we're gonna pat that down. Okay, and then I'm gonna clean my hands and go get my pan hot. Okay, I already made me up some pasta. And all I need to do is drain it, add a little butter, and about a cup of cheddar cheese. And I have mac and cheese to go with my barbecue chicken. My macaroni's drained and on the floor. Leave it to me. All right, and I'm gonna get some butter. I'm gonna get about a quarter of a cup of butter. Drop that in there. And I'm going to grab about a handful and a half cheddar cheese. Give that a stir. And I have easy cheesy macaroni. Okay, this one is easy peasy. I'm getting out of here tonight. I have a mac and cheese. It's called World's Best Mac and Cheese. And Randy can link that one in the description. It has a few more ingredients, and it is very, very good. But for tonight, we're just having down and dirty mac and cheese, which is just a little butter and a little cheese on the pasta. Now I'm going to get my chicken on. I'm shooting for just a medium flame. That's all I need. I'm gonna let my pan get hot, and then I'm gonna get a little butter and a little olive oil. Okay, pan's hot. I'm gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And just a couple of tablespoons of butter. Okay, and I got a good little sizzle, and I'm gonna mix that around, set my pan down, and get my chicken in there. Low flying chicken coming in. And I'm gonna make them 4 pieces of chicken fit. Guaranteed. There we go. Okay, this is a little too close together. You're really supposed to leave room, or otherwise your meat kind of steams. But it is so hot out here, I'm gonna let that slide. I got enough room in there, and the steam is releasing, so I'm good. Okay, I can tell I need flip now because I'm brown on the outside. It's been 3 or 4 minutes. It doesn't take very long at all once you flatten them out. And we're gonna turn that over. Another 3 or 4 minutes. And then we'll check for done. Okay, another 3 minutes, and we're gonna test for done. This one is the thickest of the 4 pieces. So that's the one I'm gonna check. And I'm gonna open it just like that. Okay, I've opened the thickest piece. I'm all nice and white, but not dry. So I am ready to plate. "20 minutes and done, folks. I can do it, you can do it. It is so good, even Randy could do it, okay? This is an easy weeknight meal, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.